Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term haiku. Introduction. Haiku, a traditional Japanese poetic form, has captivated poets and readers worldwide with its concise yet evocative nature. Originating in Japan, haiku comprises 17 syllables arranged in 3 lines of 5, 7, and 5 syllables respectively. The poem's brevity serves as a canvas for the poet's emotional or spiritual response to a natural object, scene, or season of the year. While the strict form relies on the short, uniform, and unstressed syllabic structure of the Japanese language, its translation into English poses challenges due to linguistic differences. Consequently, English poets often adapt the form to maintain its essence while allowing for the inherent complexities of the English language. Haiku's Japanese origins. The haiku's origins trace back to Japanese literary traditions, specifically the collaborative linked verse poetry called renga, which served as an opening stanza known as hokku. Matsuo Basho, a prominent Japanese poet of the Edo period, elevated hokku to a standalone poem, and the haiku was born. In its traditional form, haiku embodies a delicate balance of sensory imagery, capturing fleeting moments in nature and inviting contemplation. Haiku's influence on Western poetry. The influence of haiku extended beyond Japan's borders, captivating Western poets, particularly during the Imagist movement. Imagists, inspired by haiku's precision, sought to mirror its brevity and distinctiveness in their work. Among these poets, Ezra Pound emerged as a notable advocate for the haiku. His poem, In a Station of the Metro, exemplifies the Imagist approach to haiku in English, expressing a vivid image with only a few carefully chosen words. Challenges in adopting haiku to English. While the strict adherence to syllabic structure remains a challenge for English poets, many have embraced the essence of haiku, emphasizing its evocative imagery, contemplative nature, and profound simplicity. By relaxing the rules for syllable count and pattern, English haiku has evolved into a distinct poetic form that preserves the spirit of its Japanese counterpart. Evolution of English haiku. Haiku's global appeal and influence continue to grow, transcending cultural boundaries and inspiring poets of various backgrounds. Contemporary North American haiku writers, in particular, have contributed to the evolution of the form. An anthology like Haiku Moment, an anthology of contemporary North American haiku, showcases the creativity and diversity within its poetic tradition. Conclusion. In conclusion, haiku, the Japanese poetic form of 17 syllables arranged in 3 lines, remains an enduring and influential poetic expression. Originally rooted in Japanese literary traditions, haiku has inspired poets worldwide, including the Imagists in Western literature. Although the strict form poses challenges in English, poets have adapted it to capture the essence of fleeting moments in nature, evoking emotional and spiritual responses. With its simplicity, evocative imagery, and contemplative nature, haiku continues to leave an indelible mark on the poetic landscape. So this was the discussion on the term haiku. If you have any questions or doubts, you can write them in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.